Kuniko Yagi. I am an executive chef in Los Angeles, California. In 3 installments, Japan House LA will be introducing Japanese sauces and dressings. That's going to be a great healthy condiment to your dinner, the daily dinner. I hope you can make it at home and enjoy. So today we are gonna do 3 Japanese favorite dressings. The first is Wafū, Japanese style dressing, and the second is Wafu Dressing with the variations, and the third is Grated Carrot Dressing. So first dressing is Wafū, the Japanese style dressing, and ingredients are here. Soy sauce and rice wine vinegar and mirin and fresh lemon, and this is Kombu. Kombu is seaweed, dry seaweed, and extra virgin olive oil. That's it. So place dry kombu seaweed in a jar and pour the hot liquid. Be careful. And I would like to have this fresh squeezed lemon into the liquid because lemon has a lot of good oil around the skin and it releases really nice fragrance in a sauce. So keep this overnight in a refrigerator. So this is overnighted sauce from the refrigerator with the lemon. And kombu actually becomes this big in a liquid. This has a lot of umami. So that's the difference of putting one step into your work. And now we have this base into the big glass bowl jar. And gradually add this olive oil into the liquid. You don't have to concentrate on emulsifying it too much. Just to relax and emulsify. And then this is the wafu vinaigrette, the base.